Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here. This is Sunday ASEDA. Let's go straight to this plan from National. Okay. It's going up. It's setting it upward. So let's see at event 2540 in National in the year 2011. They play 40. Then 4 weeks up, 1, 2, 3, 4. They play 12. Following week, single 227 and then 85. 85 play at first position, single 2 and then the 27. So following week, we are on this event. As you can see, the single 2 here supposed to give us that single 1. The single 1 supposed to play under the single 2. That is where it's supposed to play at. So single 1 35. That becomes the 2 short. These numbers over here, they are all good, but I'll be using the 23 in addition to the numbers because the 23 becomes a picking, and at the same time the 85 play at position, so the number under it supposed to be added to the numbers. That is what is forming money. That's what is forming the 3 numbers: single 1, 23, 35. Why the 35 single 1? I'll show you. But here is the confirmation. They play 40. When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, they play the 12. Following week, single 2, 27, 85. The 85 at the position. So following week, the 135. The 135 is here. There is even another one here. They play 19. That is the 19. Then following week, they play 27. That is the 27. Following week, we have single 135 to be played 2 short over here. As you can see, this one is just at the current. There is another one here that is also confirming. It's even the first plan that I saw before seeing the one that played the 3. Event 63, they play 40. Following week, the 19. Following week, the single 2. So following week, you see the 135 is there, 2 short. If you come to the current, the same thing, 40. Following week, 19. Following week, single 2. So after the single 2 play, then the single 1, 35. The 35 also confirm itself again with another setting here. They play 55. Following week, 19. Following week, the single 2. So you see the 35 with the 23. The 23 repeat. So here also the 23, 35 is there. So on this event here, you will notice that the 35 play with the 12. So it means the 12 is supposed to jump. Here also the 12 is there. But the 35, 23 is the numbers that I pick over there. So when you come to the national paper, you will see that the numbers are the event is event 2535 in the national machine. 23 numbers on the event: 23, 62, single 1, 35, 24. 23, 62, single 1, 35, 24. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm using for Sunday ASEDA. Let's hope for the best. Bye for now.